So right now I'm currently working on uh, mission markers again, and so I eliminated the spaghetti code effectively with this function that allows me to check if they're within a radius of just one certain area, and then ignoring the other areas entirely, which is actually very good. Very good compartmentalization. And while you're not going to necessarily see an effect if I like in comparison to last night, it's going to be different with the way it's handled necessarily in the background. So this one is now a job, and this one over here is a survival. And these two are now no longer separate entities. They're put into basically like one array, and then I'm iterating over the array to check if the to check if the player is in the thing. It's a lot cleaner, at least when it comes down to like checking stuff that would be important, and then I can just probably get the thing that they're standing in by checking how far away they are from the marker. Since this is just the basic concepts, it's actually not that bad in comparison, and actually eliminating the spaghetti code is feeling actually way better than writing it and keep trying to actually do it. And using this, like this one is a char star array byte. That's just this is the same thing from last night. However, I changed this name because I got tired of concat string, so I just changed it to context action. And then this stuff, obviously. The only thing else that I want to do is I need to check. I need to update the thing so that when I'm changing the marker type, it actually updates within the markers array. And that should be easy, but at the same time, it's just kind of a pain in the ass. To check it, because for some reason it changes nothing in the marker. Update marker type should theoretically change the specific marker, but for some reason, oh yeah, because it's already pointing. So yeah, I don't know. And now it's just kind of a time to fix this up, change my vectors, and change all this stuff to kind of be formulated into one function so that I don't have to keep this shit, this stinky garbage poo-poo stinky crappy, mainly because I changed, so in the vector3 thing, there's these padding keywords, and if you remove these padding keywords, it's offset by like a certain amount, and we don't necessarily use these padding keywords for, I don't think, anything, unless it's like a 3D environment, which nobody gives a shit about. And so I'll probably just create a thing that just creates coordinates and takes them and then just spits a new vector out. I'll probably just make that now, actually. And then so then we actually just can just pass the stuff as variables, and we don't have to actually write out the return because it's kind of lame. Because as well, we're passing these as zeros, and this is this, and it's just a lot of confusing numbers, so I just don't care about it. So, you know, as such, we're just gonna create a new vector and just pass in 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 as target arguments, and you're done. And now we should do that for each of the other ones. So, but that's about it. Let's go.